ito kami ngayon. Pabalik na pupunta kami doon sa
Quezon.
mga kasama namin.
Happy
Ayan.
lang.
Hi there! Ayan.
Happy lang.
Ayan. Yeah. Sumasayaw-sayaw pa si Janice. Go! Diba? Ayan, dito kami sa Antipolo pa. Again! Lakad muna. Ay, may nagsusumba. Join na! May nagsusumba. Galing! Ayan kami ni Janice. Magkasama. Hi, Janice! Ayan. I'll be
waiting for you.
here inside my...
Here inside my heart, I'm the one who wants you.
Aba! Go!
I've been waiting.
Walang boses.
Ay, shit, no?
Ayan, lakad. Walking way. Ayan si Tita Del sa likodan namin. Bye-bye.
Been a series of doors in my throat. And then suddenly I bumped into you. I was thinking that I've been searching for you.
Parang ang sarap nito, oh. Empanada. With you! Yeah, Venezuela.
May not see your face. And it's something that I ever known before.
Let's
An
go.
open door.
Okay, bye-bye. Malapit na kami.